Hey guys, it's Tiara Yasmin. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing a birthday set for one of my top clients that I've had ever since I started this business. Shout out to Chris. I love her so much. She's literally been supporting since the very start. I think one of my first orders even was like a sizing kit for her. And she's just shown so much loyalty to my brand and just always been supportive, and I'm so grateful for her. What I love about Chris for this set especially is she just hit me up and was like, hey, like I would love to have birthday nails. My birthday's in March. And I asked her like, you know, what all she wanted. And she's like, go ahead and just freestyle. Like I'll trust you with whatever you put. So that put a little bit of pressure on me, but I've been loving to do custom orders lately. So I feel like that gave me a lot of creative freedom and a chance to try out some techniques that I haven't done before. So the only request that she actually had for sure was to have this stiletto nail to be the ring finger, and everything else could just be square, but up to the design and everything, that was just all up to me. So I had a lot of fun doing this, and I'm going to show you guys everything that I did step by step. So everything that I'm going to be using in this video, from polishes to charms, are all going to be linked in my Amazon storefront. You can find that link down in my description down below. Everything is linked. There's kind of a lot to choose from my storefront, but if you go to the section that says nail finds, you'll see everything that I have available for you guys. This specific color is one that I use for all of my French tips that have more of a natural nude kind of tone to it. Some of the other ones that I use have more of a peachy / beige kind of tone to it, but this is the one that I like to use for a lot of the people that I work with. So it may seem like I'm kind of jumping all over the place with the way that I'm going about doing the set, but I was trying to make this as easy for myself as possible. So I knew that since this nail was going to be different, I was just going to go ahead and get it over with as soon as I could. So I'm going to go ahead and make sure that that black layer is tacky enough for me to put that chrome on. I kind of struggle with chrome a little bit because usually when I do it, either I'm using a low quality chrome or I'm just not doing it right, but for some reason it comes out more like a shimmer rather than a chrome metallic look. So if you guys have any tips, please leave them down below so I can get better at doing that chrome effect. As you can see here, nothing special. I'm just going in and doing French tips. I do 2 black French tips and then 2 white French tips, I do believe, for the set. I can't remember, I did this a while ago, so I'll have to double check. But for this, I just made it very simple. I wanted to keep the dark and moody / chrome effect going. So it's going to be very cute when it all comes together. All of the chrome detailing, and then just the way that it's going to kind of match pretty much anything that she wears. Also, if you guys peeped already, I'm trying to make my videos a bit longer. I feel like you guys really appreciate the long videos. It's just that sometimes I get kind of tired of just like watching myself do a French tip for like, you know, 3-4 minutes at a time, and I feel like it can get kind of boring. But you guys said you like to watch the process, so I'm not gonna try to speed through it as fast as I used to. I'm gonna let you guys enjoy it and let these videos be, you know, kind of around the 8 to like 10 minute mark, which, you know, I'm not mad at, but hey, I'm gonna do what you guys want.
Your boy got the full body do-rag out.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing sissy slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fucking night, I keep the wallet in my shorty bag. You know she wanna mine when she tattoo that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. This that roll myself a day and count my figure shit. This that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you nodding off, then it's gon' be some shit. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. We don't start up till I die. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. We don't start up till I die. Fuck it, I just run it up before I go. Would you tell the world my secrets if I let you close? In my head.
Your boy got the full body do-rag out.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing sissy slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fucking night, I keep the...
So all my French tips are done at this point, and now I'm going to jump back over to my stiletto nails. For this, I'm just kind of adding these little flat back studs with like a chrome effect to them and just randomly placing them on there, kind of giving them like this kind of like alien, futuristic, bubbly effect. I was going to fill up the entire thing at first, but then I was like, you know, let's leave some of this blank space and kind of play with like the negative space, you know, if you guys took art class and you know that kind of thing. But just kind of playing around with the design itself and kind of making it as unique as possible. And of course, I'm going to do this on both of the ring fingers on either hand. So now that that is complete, I'm going to go in and add a couple of more chrome pieces and charms to my nails. I want to add a couple of designs to some of these French tips, but I knew for a fact that I wanted to keep one of them blank and just add the detailing with the charm. So now that that's complete and cured, I like to do that like immediately after I put my charms down because I know that they're going to start to slide and move. So if you're going to be working with charms, be sure that you are curing them pretty much immediately after. But like I said, I'm just going to be going in here and putting designs on these French tips and making them kind of unique and different. I do the crocodile print twice, but I just think it goes really well with the set and it actually turned out very cute. This nail that I'm working on currently, it has more of like this kind of like that futuristic kind of line work that people have been doing for a couple years now, but I just really like it and I think it matched the vibe of the set.
Your boy got the full body do-rag out.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing sissy slides in both.
And just a side note, I know I've been very inconsistent with posting and I've been trying my absolute best to get on a consistent schedule, but I feel like it works best for me to just post whenever I can. So just be on the lookout for videos, and better yet, turn on your bell notification. That way that you guys don't have to guess what I'm going to be posting. You'll get that notification via YouTube through your phone or on your laptop, and you'll get that notification from me that I posted something new. So be sure that you guys are locked in. You guys have been so great this far. I've been doing this for 2 years and I'm now at 1,300 subscribers, which is really nuts to me, but I'm so grateful. So be sure that you guys are locked in, subscribed, are engaging with the content, and just making sure that you're showing love, because it does help push my videos out to more people like you guys. That way I can spread my craft to other people and, you know, share my experience with nails. But anyway, I'm going back in with that blooming gel and then adding the last of this crocodile print to the thumbnail. And then once that's cured, I go in and just add in all of my favorite charms that I thought would complement this set very well. And like mentioned before, she said just a freestyle, so I am just kind of doing things at random. I did pull inspo from a couple of different Pinterest photos. I do this a lot whenever I'm working just because I do have a hard time kind of coming up with original ideas, but whenever I can, I do like to give credit to whoever I got the ideas from. So I do have photos that I had got from Pinterest and I pulled ideas from them. Once that's all complete, I'm going to go ahead and use my top coat and really make sure that I kind of cover every single bit of the nail, including the charms, some of the charms, not the big planet charm, but some of the charms I make sure that I am encapsulating with that top coat to keep it from tarnishing, but then also just to keep everything locked in and secure. These are her birthday nails. I don't want them to fall apart, obviously. And this right here is the final result, guys. I think it turned out so cute. I'm really into this like chrome metallic punk look, But shout out to Chris again for being such a loyal customer. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you guys would want to support me, be sure to check out my links down below. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!